Hi, welcome to Rich Man Poor Motors. Today we've got the changing the wiper blades on the Volkswagen. It's the later blade style wiper blades. I have other videos for like the pin style, that'll be up there. And if you've got a different style of wiper blades. But first of all, I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers for subscribing to me. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this. Every subscription helps. They're free, obviously. And let's get into this video. Hi, so if you've got these later blade style sort of single wiper blades, they're very easy to change. You have a tab here on the end which you need to pull down, sort of like push in and pull down. This releases the catch there, and then just slide them forward. So in the box should have couple of replacement wiper blades, and they usually come with some instructions as well if you needed some instructions. So find the one that fits the length of the wiper that you're changing. Usually you've got a smaller one on the passenger side and a longer one on the driver's side. Right, so get the right side wiper blade. This has got a spoiler on it as well. The one I removed had a smaller spoiler. So you just lift the arm, you get the blade, and you just slide it in place. Until it clicks in place like that. I'll go around and do the other side. I'll show you on this side. Actually, I'll get the camera in for that. So just hold the thing. So where my thumb is, push the tab down to release, and then slide it out. So show you again on this side, push the tab down and just slide it out. Just to remove it. Again, check you have the right side. The right size wiper blade. You've got the tab there that goes in and the spoiler, so you can see which way it goes in nice and easy. So line it up and just take some wiggling to do, and there it is, clicked in place, and there you go, one quick job done. So there we go, quick DIY job, and I didn't have to pay Hal for some money to sort them out for me. So I normally change my wiper blades twice a year, once after they've deteriorated through the winter with the frost and the ice and the snow, etc. And once just before you go into winter after they've dried out through all the hot, sunny summer, sunny weather, which also deteriorates the rubber. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my, this side I think, my other videos, and you can subscribe here. And if these are the sort of videos that you like, please think about subscribing. Every subscription does help, and of course they're free as usual. I'll look forward to seeing you in a new video. Thanks a lot. Cheers.